strong.
Yeah, you're strong, but your brain is still weak.
Breaking news. There are reports of a freak with a chainsaw massacring people on 123 Later Street. Happy Saturday.
Uh-oh. The freak with the chainsaw is back.
But I thought your buddy Luke killed him.
Luke did destroy him. So how is he back?
Hey, you, get out of my neighborhood, or you're gonna be sorry. Revenge!